hard day cleaning up the rocket, but we're almost done.
Ooh! Huh? Huh? Heads up! Look out! Whoa! Look out!
TK!
Are you guys okay? I'm fine. Actually, I like this. This is the first break I've had all day.
You know what, guys? We've been working really hard. And now look, the rocket's squeaky clean. We're done.
Good.
And I have a great idea. We're gonna go on a mission.
Wait a minute. Does it involve more cleaning?
Nope. Today our mission is to have fun. And you know what that means. It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission Control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We've been working hard all day, and we want to have some fun.
That sounds like a great mission. Let's see where you can go. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops? Nobody knows.
Should we go to the bedtime planet to have fun? No, that's a better place for a nap, not to have fun. Is the vacuum planet a good place to have fun? I think we've had enough vacuum cleaners for today. Do you think we can have fun on the playground planet?
You've got it. The playground planet is the perfect place to have fun. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next stop, Playground Planet.
Wow, this must be the biggest slide in the whole galaxy. Let's go!
Yeah! Awesome! Yay! Okay, I'll wait until you get to the bottom so you can see how good I am at... Am I at the bottom yet? It was awesome! What do we do now? How about we play Follow the Leader? Awesome! Okay, so I'll be the leader first. Follow me. Huh? Let's play tag. I'm it. Everybody run. I'm coming in 3, 2, 1. Orbit! Are you okay? Yeah, that was really fun.
Well, maybe someone else should have a turn being the leader.
Okay, I was thinking we could try a merry-go-round. Hop on, everyone! Quick, follow me! I'm the leader! Guys, I thought...
Hurry up, Orbit. You don't want to miss the fun.
Just don't go too fast because I get sick when I get too dizzy and...
That was awesome!
Yeah! We were going so fast I couldn't hold on with my... Oh no, my fingers! Ooh.
Orbit, you don't have fingers, remember?
Oh, right. Okay, so Rob, I was thinking that... Great idea, Orbit! It's Rob's turn! Rob's the leader!
Let's go! Follow me! Hop, hop around, hop, hop around.
Oh. Ha-ha! That was great! Whose turn is it to be leader now? Oh!
Huh? Hopscotch! Orbit, can you hold mine too? I want to go first.
No one ever listens to me. I might as well be floating alone in outer space. Uh-oh! I didn't mean it!
1, 2, 1, 1, 2.
Guys! Wait your turn, Orbit. Okay, then.
Huh?
Orbit!
Hang on, Orbit. We'll get you down.
Oh, dear.
TK, do you have anything that can help us get Orbit down?
My trampoline! That should do it!
Yeah!
Okay.
Jump, Orbit!
But what if I miss? I've already hurt my head, my bum, and my tummy today. It's easy. Just land on the trampoline. Whoa! 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 Hey! This is kind of fun! Can this be my turn as leader?
Huh? We didn't give you a turn?
Oh, we're so sorry, Orbit. It's okay. Come and bounce with me. I'm the leader. Follow me. Yay! Good jump.
Wow.
That was the most fun ever! All right! Yay! Woohoo!
And that means mission accomplished. Mission control?
Yes, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, our mission was to have fun. So we went to the playground planet. We slid down the big slide, and then we played follow the leader.
But we were having so much fun, we got carried away and stopped listening to our friend. We forgot to give Orbit his turn.
That wasn't nice of us. And because we weren't paying attention to Orbit, he almost floated off into outer space.
Until TK found a trampoline.
And then everyone bounced with me on the trampoline. It was the best.
Well, that sounds like it ended on a high note. you should always be considerate of your friends. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4,